Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Shafe Tech. Today I will show you unboxing of portable single axis camera stabilizer. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to my channel. I upload technology related videos every week. So let's get started and open this box. I bought this from AliExpress for $30. Shipping was quick and the packaging is secure. Remove the plastic cover with shipping label off, tear off the tape, and the box is ready to open. It has a thank you card from the seller, a free gift which is an extendable USB cable adapter with regular USB connector on one side and various type of connectors on the other side to accommodate your phones, whether it is Android or an iPhone. Now let's take a look at the actual stabilizer box and later open the box to see the contents inside. Main features of this Sejic portable single axis camera stabilizer include anti-shake function, remote control with Bluetooth connectivity, and tripod stand. Backside of the packaging has instruction guide to use tripod and guide to use camera stabilizer. Packaging also include product size, weight, and battery capacity. Now let's open the box to see the content inside. It has a Bluetooth button with the magnetic base, instruction manual, USB charging cable for camera stabilizer, one axis camera stabilizer with USB socket for charging on one side, Sejic logo, camera mount, thread screw to mount on the stick, and power button. The stick feels solid, nice grip, fingerprint resistant surface, anti-slip rubber base which is very helpful when used as a tripod stand. So that concludes today's video. I hope you liked the video. Please hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video very soon.